Hi, my name is Ayanna. I am the owner of Ayanna Denise Skin, and I am here to show you how to nourish your skin. So come on, let's get started. Today we're going to do a daily facial. This is going to be a great relaxer for your skin. So get your cotton balls, get your water, and get your 3 steps to the system, and let me show you how to really get a good daily facial in. So I always start with distilled water or filtered water. So I've wet my cotton ball a little bit. I'm gonna start cleaning. Okay, so we're gonna do a nice little cleansing here. Isn't that amazing? Now what I'm doing is I am going to clean off the cleanser with more water and a fresh cotton round. Your step 2, which is your toner. This step 2 is super gentle. We need to show our skin that we appreciate that organ for what it does. We're going to move on to rinsing it off so we can go ahead and moisturize. Fresh cotton round, filtered water, and we're just gonna go ahead and give our skin some TLC. You can stop right here if you're going to bed for the night, or you can move on to the next step, which is number 3, and it's the moisturizing step. And I'm going to apply moisturizer on the cotton ball. And I'm gonna just... Okay, so I am protected from the sun. I'm ready to move on with my day, and you know, I feel good about myself. I don't know how else to say it. I love doing the 3-part system as a daily facial. I hope you really enjoy this system because it is awesome. And my name is Ayanna. I am the owner of Ayanna Denise Skin. Thanks for joining me.